If you've been wondering how to let your clients log in and review scheduled content, this quick 3-minute tutorial will guide you through the exact steps. I'll show you how to make it easy for your clients to access their content, review it, and provide feedback, all without any unnecessary complications. Stay tuned, because I'm also going to give you an exclusive free trial for a software that makes this process even easier. First, you need to ensure your clients can log in securely to your platform. This is crucial because you don't want unauthorized users accessing your scheduled content. The software we're using makes the login process seamless with secure username and password integration. You'll want to create a unique login for each client to make sure their access is personalized. Once your client is logged in, navigate to the dashboard where the scheduled content is listed. This is where the magic happens. Your clients can see everything you've planned for them in one place. Most software platforms will let you organize content by date, category, or type, which makes it easy for clients to find what's scheduled for review. Now, you want to give your clients the ability to review the content. Our software allows clients to click into each scheduled item and see it exactly how it will appear once published. They can make notes, leave comments, or even suggest edits. This gives them a chance to feel involved in the process, which is a great way to keep them satisfied and engaged. For your clients to be able to leave feedback, make sure they know exactly how to use the commenting feature. You can add a simple instruction or a tutorial within the platform. Some software even allows you to set up notifications so clients are alerted whenever they have something new to review. This keeps everyone on the same page and ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. One thing I always recommend is setting up a final approval step. This way, clients can review content one last time before it goes live. This ensures that they're happy with the content and reduces the risk of mistakes after it's published. If you use our software, this step is built right in, so clients can approve content with just a click. As you walk your clients through this, it's important to have an easy-to-navigate interface. Your clients shouldn't feel overwhelmed when they log in to review scheduled content. It should be clear where to go, what to review, and how to leave their feedback. Keep the user experience simple and straightforward. Here's a key takeaway. Letting your clients log in and review scheduled content is all about making the process simple, secure, and interactive. Use the right software to ensure they can easily access, review, and approve the content, and always keep the interface intuitive. You want the whole process to be as smooth as possible for both you and your clients. And remember, you can take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we use today. It's available only to viewers of my channel, and the link is in the description below. Give it a try and see for yourself how it can help you manage client content reviews. Thanks for watching.